Hello there. So, you want to know how you can simply go ahead and get tickets from SeatGeek on your mobile device? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So, with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, I want you to make sure that you have downloaded and installed it by going into App Store and simply checking SeatGeek. And once you've downloaded and installed this application, simply go ahead and tap on open. I've made a video on how you can simply go ahead and log into it previously. Now on the top, you can simply go ahead and select what state are you in or where you are based on. So for example, if you're in Denver, you can simply go ahead and enter Denver. Or if you are in Texas, you can just do that as well. So all you need to do is just select your state first. And then now what you want to do is simply go ahead and search for the show that you are looking for. So for example, let me just go to popular this weekend and look at a Tina Turner musical, whatever this is. So on this event, so you can see how many tickets you want. So for example, let's say I want two. I will select two and now I can check where I want it. So there's gallery, which is on the most backhand side of the stadium. There's also a front row. I'll just go ahead and select that. And now if I go ahead and click on continue, it's going to go ahead and take me to checkout. Now, all I need to do is just tap on buy with Apple Pay and you will have your digital tickets. You can also change your payment gateway right over here if you want to, but that is about it. So I hope you enjoyed. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll